A Giraffe App Store rating reflects the overall experience of thousands of users, but it doesn't guarantee that your experience will be exactly the same. By the end of this video, you'll know what the rating actually tells you, what it leaves out, and how to judge the app more accurately before installing it. The first thing to understand is that an App Store rating is an average of many different opinions. Some users leave reviews after successfully earning rewards, while others post feedback after running into tracking issues, unsupported games, or problems redeeming rewards. Since all of those experiences contribute to the overall score, the rating alone doesn't explain why people are satisfied or disappointed. Instead of focusing only on the overall rating, read the newest reviews. Recent reviews are usually more helpful because they reflect the current version of the app. If several users mention the same issue, or the same positive feature repeatedly, that's a stronger signal than one extremely positive or extremely negative review. Next, understand how Giraffe works. The app rewards users for installing eligible mobile games through its platform and completing in-game activities. Available games and reward offers can differ depending on your device, region, and account. That means two people using Giraffe on the same day may have different game selections and different earning opportunities, which naturally leads to different reviews. Another detail worth checking is how the developer responds to user feedback. If you see replies explaining common problems, offering troubleshooting steps, or asking users to contact support, it shows the developer is actively monitoring reviews. That doesn't guarantee every issue will be resolved, but it does indicate that reported problems aren't being ignored. It's also smart to compare App Store reviews with other reliable sources. Watch recent walkthroughs, read detailed user experiences, and compare recurring comments across multiple platforms. If the same strengths and weaknesses appear in different places, you're getting a clearer picture than you would from a single review or a single video. If you decide to try Giraffe, install games only through the app, read the reward requirements before you begin, and keep track of your progress. If rewards don't track correctly, check for app updates and contact support with screenshots and any relevant purchase or activity details. The main takeaway is simple. Giraffe's App Store rating is a useful starting point, but it shouldn't be your only decision factor. Read recent reviews, look for consistent patterns, and understand how the app works before forming an opinion. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more app reviews, comparisons, and troubleshooting videos.